Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of moisturizers that leave your skin feeling greasy or stripped? Well, I've got something for you today that promises hydration without the sticky aftermath. Medline Remedy Phytoplex Nourishing Skin Cream. Whether you're dealing with dry skin or looking for a new daily lotion, this product has a lot to offer. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Let's see if this one lives up to its claims. Medline Remedy Phytoplex Nourishing Skin Cream is a fragrance-free body lotion designed to restore your skin's natural moisture balance and improve its barrier function. Unlike many moisturizers that rely on mineral oils or other petrochemicals, this one opts for breathable ingredients, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin or anyone seeking a more natural formulation. It's ideal for use on your face, hands, and body, and the 16 oz bottle offers plenty of product for extended use. What really stands out with this cream is its blend of natural emollients. It features safflower oleosomes and carrageenan, ingredients that are known for their ability to hydrate the skin while still feeling lightweight. The addition of Phytoplex, a proprietary botanical complex, alongside essential fatty acids, aims to support skin health and nourishment. From my experience, this cream is easy to incorporate into my daily routine. It absorbs quickly into the skin with no greasy residue, which is such a win for me. The texture is creamy and smooth, and it leaves my skin feeling soft but not weighed down. I've used it on my hands, face, and even my elbows, places where my skin tends to get drier, and it works wonderfully. The unscented formula is a plus, as it doesn't interfere with other fragrances I may wear, and I love that it's free from parabens, making it a more skin-friendly option for those concerned about harsh chemicals. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this cream is incredibly moisturizing, and its fast absorption means you can apply it and go about your day without waiting for it to sink in. The natural emollients make it feel nourishing without clogging pores or leaving behind any greasy feeling. However, while the formula is fantastic for sensitive skin, it might not be rich enough for those with extremely dry or cracked skin who might need something more intensive. When it comes to value for money, Medline Remedy Phytoplex stands out as a solid mid-range option. At 16 oz, it offers good value considering the quality of the ingredients and its versatility for face and body use. If you're someone who wants to avoid ingredients like mineral oil, this product's formulation aligns well with those preferences. It's a little pricier than basic drugstore lotions, but I do think it delivers on its promise of nourishment and hydration. In terms of build quality, the packaging is straightforward but functional. The pump dispenser is easy to use and minimizes mess, ensuring that you can apply just the right amount. The product itself holds up well over time, and I haven't noticed any separation or change in texture after a few weeks of use. As for longevity, you're getting a solid moisturizing effect throughout the day, so it's worth the investment if you prefer a lotion that lasts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, Medline is known for offering solid service. If you have any issues with the product, they're responsive and efficient in resolving problems, which is always a relief when purchasing health and beauty products. There haven't been any major updates to this formula, but Medline does frequently work on improving its products. So if there are any changes in the future, they'll likely only enhance the performance of the lotion. If you're looking for alternatives, a more budget-friendly option might be Cetaphil's Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. It's less expensive but still provides excellent hydration, especially if you're not as concerned about botanical ingredients. If you're after something more luxurious with a similar formula, you could check out the Kiehl's Cream Decor, which is also fragrance-free and highly moisturizing. To wrap it up, Medline Remedy Phytoplex Nourishing Skin Cream is a well-balanced, hydrating lotion that excels in delivering moisture without feeling heavy or greasy. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone who wants a solid daily moisturizer with a focus on natural ingredients. It might not be the right fit for those who need something extra rich, but if you're looking for something lightweight yet effective, this could be your new go-to. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.